All right, guys. So we have taken you in our previous video, took you through the night market, and this is kind of a little continuation. We're gonna walk down to the main common shopping area. We have never done a video there actually, so we decided to go down and see how this comes out. So one of the reasons we're going up here this much is obviously that we have our family living here, and some cousins and other things. So we do visit here quite often, and I will get into that a little bit about the Xevera. Look at those.
20 pesos.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy one, but they're cute.
Big.
Yeah, they're very cute.
Baby duck. Baby duck.
Baby duck.
Baby duck. 20 lang. 20 pesos.
Yeah.
Uy, bawal.
Ay, may malaki ako.
Lalagyan. Lalagyan. Bird yan, bird. Lalagyan.
Yeah.
Bawal yan doon sa bahay. No.
He wants a duck?
Yeah.
I think they have enough with the roasters at home. They have enough with the roasters. So anyway, the area here, I have met a lot of foreigners actually that lives here, and area is extremely nice. The apartments are kind of small, but it's outside the Angeles, Mabalacat downtown, and it is a pretty decent area, and a lot of foreigner actually lives in here, and the rent is very, very cheap. You can get a one-bedroom apartment or even a two-bedroom for around 4,000 or 5,000 pesos. Yeah, that's what they call it, Mabalacat City night market. That's what they call it. Yeah. Right. And anyway, if you are tired of the smoke, the exhaust fume in the city, this is a place where you can go. Obviously, there's not a whole lot of entertainment up here, but it's a short jeepney ride. I think it's about 9-10 kilometers down to the night entertainment in Angeles. So it's not very far at all. All right, so we're coming back to the main shopping area, and back here there's looks like a coin laundry or something here.
It's a beautiful view like you're in the Paris.
Ah, there's a beautiful view back here. Okay, let's go and take. All right, so here they have some stores. There's a salon here, barber shop, lechon and resto bar. So there's a little. All right, there's a little restaurants and stuff back here. I don't think we have ever been here before. So just let us walk in here and just see what's going on. It's a fishing expedition. So let's go. They're falling behind there a little bit. I think the little one starts getting a little cranky. So we'll we gotta make sure he can come along and follow us. And back in here, there's more stores and other things back in here. This area is kind of a little hidden from the outside, but when you get in here, it's really, really nice. Quite a few stores, and at some point, I think they had water in this thing. Where's the lookout?
Lookout?
Yeah, you said there's a lookout area.
Yeah, that one. That one.
You said it looks like you're in Paris?
That,
No,
it says that.
that's not the Paris
No,
wheel,
no,
on
no,
it. It's an interesting construction, but it's not the Paris wheel. So, yeah, so we're joking around about the Paris wheel. But there's like a little park in the center of this thing, and it's actually very nice. There's a few small restaurants and some beer bars and other things. I think the little one here is okay.
getting
pasaway, and pasaway means he's being a little ratty and wants to go. So let's move. Burrito nachos. And here they have some small little stands too. Little fries, little barbecue, small little knick-knack food, finger food I call it. All right, so we're coming out in the front again, and right across there they have a community church. There is a Robinson's, and there is, you know, the essentials is to be able to get your daily groceries. And like we showed in the previous video, you have the market up there, fresh vegetables, meat, and other things. Oh yeah. Yeah.
This looks like the one that we go on, ano? What's the one that...
You mean the
Goshen?
Goshen Resort? Yeah, it has a little bit of Greek style in here too. But Goshen is way past and beyond that. But that statue is looking pretty cool. Let me see if I can get it right there. And there's one on the other side there as well. They have a 7-Eleven here. Korean's place. It looks like they have some Korean restaurants. And Don Pepe's Pizza. There's a pizza joint up there. And there looks like another refreshing in every cup. Soci Tea, Milk and Tea House. All right. Yes.
Yes, yo.
What's up? It is time to go home for this little kid. He's starting getting too much play. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Hurry up now.
All right, guys, we are approaching our home. It's getting a little ratty. So we're heading towards home. Oh, be careful. All right. So this is a little different view on Xevera from the outside, not so much in the living quarters. And also at nighttime they have pretty lights and other things. So I'm going to put a clip in here towards the end of the video, and we'll go from there. All right, here you can see later in the evening the streets are lit up. There is Christmas lights all over the place, and it's really pretty actually, and we enjoy it. And tomorrow we are going to head down to Lubao and for a little Christmas party, and we're going to try to give you a little view from Lubao. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well, And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at